Today I am holding the pen conference in the capacity of the General Secretary of the All India Tribal Congress. So that is not the relative question, should not be asked. Today, at about 3 p.m. at Trinamool Congress Bhavan, a meeting was convened for the block presidents, district presidents, central organization chiefs, elected MLA, MPs, union ministers and state ministers of all over the West Bengal. Meeting was presided by Sri Partho Chatterjee, Secretary General of West Bengal Trinamool Congress Committee. The meeting was addressed by Sri Subrata Bakshi, President and MP, West Bengal Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee, Union Minister Sudip Bandyopadhyay, Saugata Rai, Mukul Rai and Subrata Mukherjee. Lastly, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Chairperson of All India Trinamool Congress, elaborately discussed the future plan of the Trinamool Congress, present political scenario and interacted with the present delegates of the meeting. In that meeting it has been decided that 14th of April, it is the birthday of B.R. Ambedkar. Trinamool Congress will observe that birthday cordially. And 14th April, it is the Bengali New Year's Day. All Trinamool Congress peoples will celebrate the Bengali New Year's Day to commemorate with Rabindranath and Nazrul. On 1st of May, it is May Day. Trinamool Congress workers, Trinamool Congress sympathizers, their organization of the INTTUC, they will observe the May Day in a proper and befitting manner. In proper and befitting manner. On 8th of May, it is the birthday of Rabindranath Tagore. Again, Trinamool Congress will observe the Rabindranath Tagore Day. On 10th of May to 10th of June, this 1 month, it is a month for campaigning with the achievement of the government for the last 1 year. So this 1 month, Trinamool Congress will go all out with their campaigning for the achievements of the government of the last 1 year. And again, on 19th of May, the election of the West Bengal Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee meeting will be held, and that purpose a separate notice will be issued, and West Bengal Trinamool Congress General Council members will be invited on that meeting to take part on the election process. And on 21st July, like all previous years, again Trinamool Congress is going to organize a big rally, and this year this rally will be held at Brigade Parade Ground, and Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Chairperson and President of the All India Trinamool Congress Committee, is graced the occasion as a guest, as a chief speaker. That's all. Hello? We have discussed all relevant matters of the present political scenario. That's why we have discussed the good governance. We have discussed in the manner in which we are facing the opposition from a section of the press and media, and at the same time we have discussed the panchayat and rural development. The question does not arise. It depends upon on the situation. In 2008, we fought the panchayat election alone. In 2009, we fought the parliament election with make an alliance with the Congress. Again on 2010, we fought alone in the municipal election. And again 2011, we fought the general election with alliance. So it depends upon the situation at that when the election will be held. So at this junction, the question does not arise. No, not at all. Most of the MPs and MLAs are here. Most of the MPs and MLAs are here, and those are not coming. They are properly informed to the party that as because there are some urgent program and preoccupation, they are not able to come. All. No. এখনো সেরকম কিছু হয়নি। আর কি বলো? আর কিছু আছে? আর কিছু আছে দিবঙ্গত দা? হ্যাঁ, আমি আবার বলছি ওটা ইন্ডিয়ান ন্যাশনাল কংগ্রেস, ওটা মুর্শিদাবাদ কংগ্রেস নয়। সুতরাং আই নিড নট ফিল টু গিভ এনি রিপ্লাই as a General Secretary of All India Trinamool Congress. When Shakil will speak, when Sonia Ji will speak, at that time we will ask this question to me. It is irrelevant for me.
During the course of speech, what was the message to the party men by the
He discussed elaborately the manner in which government is working, what is the achievements of the government, and at the same time he speaks to the workers for the good governance, to help the government in everywhere. And definitely it is a coordination between the government and the party and the organization. That organization and government. She addressed all the points.
left leaders like Somnath Chatterjee are saying that the chief minister...
Somnath Chatterjee again is seen. So I do not believe that Somnath Chatterjee at present is a left leader. First it should be clarified from the Prakash Karath and Buddhadev Bhattacharya. He is a left leader or not? Then I will answer your question. I am not going to say that left leaders, I am not going to answer. বলো না, বলো। বলছি সোনিয়াজি বা শাকিল জেলা হচ্ছে পার্টির সর্বোচ্চ ওদের দলের নেতা নেত্রী। সুতরাং দলের নেতা বা নেত্রীরাই নির্ধারণ করে একটা দলের রাজনৈতিক সমীকরণ। আমার দলে যেমন মমতা ব্যানার্জি নির্ধারণ করবে আমার দলের সমীকরণ কি হবে, তেমনি কোনো একটা আলাদা এমপি বা আলাদা এমএলএ দলের সমীকরণ নির্ধারণ করতে পারে না। সুতরাং এখানে অন্য কোন এমপি বা কে কি বললো, ইট ইজ ইমেটেরিয়াল ফর মি।
That Mamata Banerjee is being ill-advised within the party. How would you respond to that?
I am not going to respond. It is his personal opinion. He should advise his party properly. That will be good for him and that is good for his party also.
He doesn't belong to a party now.
But he has been addressing the public meeting in the last assembly election.
You said that you are facing opposition from a section of the media. You said that your party and the government is facing opposition from a section of the media. In this regard, what is your opinion?
No, what is the question that was asked? কিছু লোক বলা হচ্ছে যে আমরা সংবাদপত্রের উপর আঘাত করছি। আজকে ধরো যদি দেখা যেত যে গুয়াহাটিতে সংবাদপত্র প্রকাশ হচ্ছে না, এখান থেকে কাগজটা যেতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে না, যদি দেখা যেত যে কোনো সংবাদপত্র কলকাতায় প্রকাশ করতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে না, যদি দেখা যেত সংবাদ সংগ্রহে বাধা দেওয়া হচ্ছে, তাহলে বোঝা হতো যে নিশ্চয়ই প্রচার ব্যবস্থার উপর আঘাত হচ্ছে। আমাদের দলের তরফ থেকে আমি অত্যন্ত দায়িত্ব নিয়ে বলতে পারি, সরকারের তরফ থেকে বলতে পারি, এরকম ঘটনা কোথাও ঘটছে না। ঠিক আছে,
সাধারণ কত বড় বসে রয়েছে